How to add scheduling to your Squarespace website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add a scheduling page to your Squarespace website. So let's get started. First, open up your Squarespace website that you're creating. This is one of the demo websites that I have. And we know on Squarespace, we get this menu right here where we have pages, design, commerce, marketing, scheduling, and more. So scheduling is actually a pretty new option that we got on Squarespace. What you have to do is simply click on scheduling and it will take you to Squarespace scheduling, and here we will be able to do a lot. So once you select scheduling, then this is a new platform and integration that we have on Squarespace. So you will have to enter your account and get a trial. So I'm gonna continue with the same business name that I have on Squarespace, and then we have to enter our industry right here. So whatever industry you have accounting, you have beauty, consulting, and others, so you can select from here. I'm gonna go with digital marketing. Then we have to set our availability on this scheduling. So availability is when you are available. So I'm going to select from Monday till Friday. So that's my availability, and we can also set custom hours if we want to. So I'm going to click on next. So once you have added the availability with hours, then you have to select what kind of services you sell. So you can sell appointments and classes on Squarespace scheduling. So I'm going to go with appointments here, which is going to be one-on-one, and then we have classes as well, which is a group session. So let's go with classes and click on next. Then you have to enter a name for your class that you do. So this is like a first complete steps that you have to do on Squarespace scheduling. You can see there are 5 steps, and then you will have your first appointment and you will know how to create others as well. So just give your class a name. So I'm gonna call it online sessions. The price is going to be $50, and then the duration is 60 minutes, and the maximum attendees are going to be 20. Click on next, and then we have to select our online payment method. So for now I'm gonna skip, but we have all of the options available. So I just set our availability, I added our sessions, I added a website. So this is how you will be using Squarespace scheduling, and this is how you schedule it. You set an availability, then you can connect any kind of website to your Squarespace. Not only Squarespace, but Squarespace scheduling also works with other websites, and we can get links and embed the links to our different softwares. We are also getting our own calendar, and we can sync our Google Calendar with our scheduling as well. But this is how you do it. Set your availability, then you're gonna create an appointment type, and then you're gonna add it to your website, and it will be added to your Squarespace website that you're creating, and you will be able to set scheduling and appointments online where people and customers will be able to set appointments on your website. So this brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help, and now you know how to add scheduling to your Squarespace website. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.